All right, let's look at one more of these graphs using the graph tool in MyMathLab. So we're going to click this. This is our function we're working with. So we're going to click that. We have to first pick which one we're looking at. Again, hovering over there, there's sine. Hovering over that, there's cosine. So we're going to pick the cosine tool, just click anywhere in there. And we have to tell it what's our amplitude, our period, and if there's any shifts. So there is an amplitude adjustment. So instead of 1, it's 2, because there's a number in front of cosine. So we'll put that there. The period is 2 pi because there is nothing happening to x. So in the parentheses, if there had been like a 3x or a 5x or a 10x or a negative 1x or something, then we have a period adjustment. But with just x in there, the period is unchanged. It's 2 pi. All right, now we do have a vertical shift. So this +1 is happening after the cosine and the 2. So this is a vertical shift. Okay, so we're going to shift this up 1 unit. You just have to make sure that that changes to a 1 there when you do that adjustment. Okay, there is no reflection. That means that there would be a negative in front of the cosine. There is no reflection about the y-axis. That would mean like a negative x, a negative number in front of the x. So there is our graph. I'm going to click close and save and check our answer. All right, now we're going to do the domain and the range. Okay, the domain is the x coordinates that will produce a valid output on the graph, and sine and cosine does not have any restrictions, so that's going to be negative infinity to infinity. All right, the range, however, is always going to be bounded for sine and cosine because there is going to be a lowest and a highest. Okay, so our lowest number you can see on the graph is -1. Our highest you can see is 3. So from -1, which is included, so I use a square bracket, to 3, which is also included. So I close it with a square bracket. That's my domain and my range.